If you're looking to set up Mailchimp for event promotion, this video will walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can get your event in front of the right audience and start seeing results fast. Stick around until the end, because I've got a special bonus just for you that can make your Mailchimp experience even more powerful and cost-effective. Let's dive in. First off, you want to sign up for Mailchimp if you haven't already. The good news is, you can actually use Mailchimp for free. Just hit the first link below to get started and unlock some exclusive bonuses. No need to worry about any hidden costs up front. Next thing, once you're in, go ahead and create your audience. Mailchimp is all about targeting the right people, so it's essential to have your audience set up correctly. You can either upload your own contacts or integrate with other platforms you might already be using. Make sure you segment your list to target people who are actually interested in your event, so you're not wasting time or resources. The third thing you want to do is create your campaign. Mailchimp gives you a variety of pre-built templates that make setting up your event promotion email super simple. Pick a template that resonates with your event style, whether it's a corporate gathering, a fun workshop, or a social event. Customize the content by adding event details like date, location, and a call to action for RSVPs. This is where you'll capture your audience's attention, so make sure the copy is clear and compelling. Now, next thing to consider is automating your emails. Mailchimp's automation features allow you to set up reminders for your audience, like sending a follow-up email a week before the event or a last-minute reminder the day before. This ensures that your audience stays engaged and doesn't forget about your event. You can set these up once and let Mailchimp handle the rest, saving you valuable time. The fifth thing is tracking and optimizing your campaign. Once your emails start going out, keep an eye on how they're performing. Mailchimp provides detailed analytics on open rates, click-through rates, and more. Based on that data, you can adjust your future campaigns to make them even more effective. And if you're planning multiple events, use Mailchimp's A/B testing to find out what works best for your audience. Lastly, don't forget about your landing page. If your event requires registration, you can create a beautiful, custom landing page with Mailchimp. This page can capture important details like attendees' names, emails, and any other information you need for event planning. The landing page is your final call to action, so make sure it's aligned with your email and makes it easy for people to sign up. So, to wrap up, I've just shown you how to set up Mailchimp for your next event promotion, creating an audience, designing your campaign, automating emails, tracking performance, and building a landing page. It's all here, and it's easier than you think. And before I go, remember, I've included an exclusive link below that gives you a free trial of Mailchimp with some extra perks to get you started without any risk. Take advantage of this limited time offer before it expires. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below to get your Mailchimp set up for event promotion today.